Hey, what is up, guys? So in this video we're gonna be doing another really cool project based on what we have learned until now. So yeah, I asked you guys to make a small calculator where you're gonna be getting the numbers from the user, just two numbers from the user, and then what you're gonna be doing is that you will be getting the operations, and then based on that operation you're gonna be doing whatever the user asks you to do. So yeah, let's do this in this video. Okay, so yeah, first let's get the input from the user. So input from user. Okay, so this is gonna be the two variables storing the two numbers. So let's say num1, and then let's get the input. Enter your first number. Okay, and then we're gonna wanna convert this input, which, so basically this is a string, and then we're gonna convert this into a floating number. So let's add float, since if we use integer int, and then if the user inputs any floating value, so it's gonna hit an error, so we don't want that. So let's get another variable. This is gonna store this float. Oops. Oh, okay, then input your second number. Okay, all right, now we have the first and the second number. What the Okay, so now let's get the operation input. Okay, operation or operator. Okay, so we're gonna wanna get this as a string, so enter the operation. Okay, so before we get the input, we're gonna wanna display something to the user, saying we're gonna wanna print, giving a big input, is that addition gonna have this plus. Okay, subtraction is gonna have this minus, multiplication is gonna have this x. Okay, and division is gonna have this divide. So let's say they use this. Okay, so we're gonna want to give this as a prompt to the user. Okay, so once we have the operator, now let's get to the conditions. Okay, all right, what the hell does it keep hitting an error? Okay, now if, okay, if the user gives any operator, so let's say the user enters this plus. Okay, so we're gonna wanna do a simple addition. Sum equals, what's gonna be, num1 plus num2. So sum though, or product, okay, or the result. That's why that's the result. Okay, that's basically gonna be the result, and this has to be double equal. Okay, now if this is the case, it's gonna, if the user enters a plus, it's gonna hit this. Now elif, if the user enters minus, it's gonna do subtraction. Okay, then there will be another condition. Elif the user enters x, we want these to just get multiplied, so this asterisk. Okay, and there's gonna be another elif, if the user, this, sorry, my dog's barking, so can't help. So what's gonna happen, we're gonna have this division. Okay, now there's gonna be an else. So if the user gives any input that's not related to the calculation, it's gonna hit saying print invalid input. So if there's any problem with user's input, so this else statement will get executed and it's gonna say invalid input. So that's basically it for the calculator. Now let's run and let's see. Oh, we didn't print it out. So once this is done, if all this gets done, what we want to do is, after these get executed, we want to print out. So yeah, let's print here saying print, and then we want to print result. Okay, all right, let's see what we get. Okay, so first it says to give the first number, let's say 89, second number minus 78.9876. What we want to do, so let's say I want plus multiplication, so this x, so this is the product. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. So I hope you guys learned something really cool. So if you guys have any doubt regarding the conditional statements, you can look my previous videos if you haven't watched those. And yeah, if there are any problem with this video, so you can write something in the comments. So yeah, I will make sure that I reply. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching.